Log into Banner and click the search bar in the middle of the screen. Type SSASCCD into the search bar. Click Schedule or press Enter. Enter the appropriate term. Select the Go button in the upper right-hand corner. Enter the subject code and tag to the next. Once the course number is entered, you will see the title field auto-populate. Please never edit or change the title field. Next you will enter the section number. After entering the section number, if Banner doesn't allow you to move on to the next field, that section number is taken and you must choose another one. The next field is cross-listing, in which you must contact scheduling if you need courses cross-listed. Enter CWA in the campus field. Enter A in the status field. Next you will enter your schedule type. By clicking the three dots to the right of this field, you are able to see the many options for schedule types. Once you have selected your schedule type, click OK. Enter WEBOC in the instructional method for academic innovations courses and leave that field blank if the section is regular on campus. Next, enter the appropriate grade mode. Enter the appropriate session code, which indicates specific details about delivery of the course. Options are 1, 5, 6, or 7. Enter DA in the special approval field, and the department wants to have control over which students may enroll in the course. Leave the duration field blank. Next you will enter the part of term. You can find all part of term dates on the scheduling website if you have having issues. Once you have selected your part of term, press OK to go to the next field. Next will be the billing and credit hours, which are assigned by the registrar. If the credit hours are variable and you would like to set them to a fixed amount, please enter that number. In most cases the billing hours field will be the same as the credit hours, so if you fixed the credit hours you need to do the same for the billing hours. The contact hours, lecture, lab, and other fields may default from the catalog. Do not change the number entered in this field. It will normally be blank. The link identifier field only applies when linking a lecture to a lab, which must be completed by the scheduling department, so please contact for assistance. Lastly, you will make sure print, gradable, and voice response and self-service are checked. If hiding a course, you will leave print and voice response unchecked. Once you have completed this information, you will click Save in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. The new section has now been assigned to CRN. Record the new CRN if desired for your records. Select the section Enrollment Information tag and make sure Enrollment Details is selected. In the maximum field, enter the total number of seats to be used for the new section. Click Save in the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click the Meeting Times and Instructor tab. Click the Meeting Time field, then press Tab twice. By pressing Tab twice from the meeting time field, that will auto-populate the start and end dates. Do not edit the meeting type. Check the boxes under the days that the course will meet. If the course needs to be arranged, then you will leave all the days unchecked. If the course will be taught at different times on different days, please contact scheduling for completion. Start and end times must be entered in military time. If the course needs to be arranged, you will also leave the time fields blank. Next, select the Meeting Location and Credits tab. For courses requesting the General Purpose Classroom and online courses, the building and room fields must be left blank. For departmental classrooms, enter the building and room desired. Click Save. Next, enter the instructor's WVU ID in the ID field. The instructor's name will automatically populate into the field. The instructional work code field will automatically populate. The percent responsibility field will also auto-populate, and you must make sure this field is 100% or totals 100% if there are multiple instructors. The primary indicator box must be checked to indicate the primary instructor. The override indicator is used for cross-listed courses and staff instructors. Once you have completed the instructor field, click Save. Next, select the Scheduler Preferences tab. Under the Room Attribute Preferences field, you will enter the appropriate room features along with their preference numbers. Please refer to the full list of room features on the scheduling website. All WVU courses must have room attributes entered in ANR. Academic innovation courses need none unless they are to be assigned to a classroom. Click Save. Click on the Section Preferences tab. Enter the same room attributes in the same order that you placed on the previous screen. Always remember to update room attributes in both places in ANR. Once you have entered the required information on this tab, click Save.